Oh my gosh, bro. No Zen shit this time. Aurora just released their lineup para sa MPL Philippines Season 16. You know what time it is? Hands in. Ever since dumating yung Aurora dito, parang minanifest talaga nila na dumating si Light sa buhay nila. Kasi lagi nila sinasabi, Lights within sees the win. Tapos, nagtataka ako ba't wala pa siya sa team. Eto na yun. This is it. After quite an underwhelming result mula sa kanya nung naglaro siya para sa Bigetron, he has a lot of responsibilities to fill now. Tsaka sigurado na wala na siyang kapalitan dito. And ayun, syempre, para sa mga umasa, sorry, kasi wala eh. Kumbaga, taga yes or no lang ng lineup yata ang viewers. Pero nakakatawa kasi meron pa rin naman silang involvement dun sa team. And in addition, nagustuhan ko yung kabuuan ng concept ng video nila. Nung natalo sila nung Season 15, the idea was to be zen. The idea was to reflect kung saan sila nagkamali, kung bakit ganito yung nangyari, kung bakit kailangan nilang mas lalo pang pag-iigihan na manalo sila for Season 16. And I think they were able to do just that. No substitutions again, so this is the classic. Plus, nagbabalik din si Coach MTB tsaka si Coach Dexstar, so wala naman talagang any changes para sa coaching staff. Simula na ng reveals, guys! I'm excited!